Assalamu alaikum. Good morning, children. How are you all? Now, in the theme of animal, our today's topic is farm animal. So, today we will discuss farm animals. Animals that are raised on a farm are called farm animals. They are kept for agricultural purpose. Means we can get some benefits from these animals, such as we get milk and meat with cow because cow is also a farm animal. We can get egg and meat with hen. Hen is also a farm animal. We use animal skin for making leather. We can get meat and wool with sheep. Wool is used for making warm clothes that especially we wear in winter season. Horses at farm used for traveling, used for transportations. So all these farm animals are beneficial and useful for us. Okay, children, let's learn the names of farm animal and their babies. Cow. The baby of cow is called calf. Horse. The baby of horse is called pony. Sheep. The baby of sheep is called lamb. Hen. The babies of hens are called chicks. In the last, goat. The baby of goat is called kid. These animals are called farm animal. Children, sometimes we see some other animals at farm that are really very useful, such as horse cart, donkey cart, bull cart. These are also very useful animals that are found on farmhouses. Hope you will enjoy this video and learn from it. Allah Hafiz.